Bitcoin isn't printed like dollars or euros, it is mined by computers. But don't picture a shovel and a hard hat. Bitcoin mining is all about solving puzzles, verifying transactions, and earning rewards with your computer. This is ByteStash, and in this video, we will explain how Bitcoin mining actually works. Imagine thousands of computers around the world racing to solve a complex math problem. They're not solving it with a calculator. They're guessing, over and over, millions of guesses per second. The goal? Find the exact number that unlocks the next block in the Bitcoin network. The first computer to guess the correct number or hash gets to add a new block to the blockchain. And here's the reward. That lucky miner earns brand new Bitcoin. That's how Bitcoin enters the system. No printing presses, no central authority, just code, competition, and a little bit of luck. And there's another reward miners get: transaction fees. When you send crypto, you include a small fee. That fee goes to the miner who processes your transaction. It's a small bonus that gives miners an incentive beyond just creating new coins. Now, here's something interesting. Not all miners go solo. In fact, most don't. Instead, they join what's called a mining pool. Think of it like a lottery group. Everyone contributes their computing power, and when someone in the group wins, the reward is split based on how much work each miner did. It's more stable and reliable, even if the payouts are smaller. So how likely are you to mine Bitcoin today? Let's be honest. In 2025, the odds aren't great if you're on your own. The chance of solving a block as a solo miner is less than 1 in 5 million per attempt. That's because the Bitcoin network is harder than ever. To compete, you'd need massive hardware, cheap electricity, and a serious budget. That's why most miners use pools. It doesn't make you rich overnight, but it smooths out your rewards and gives you a better shot at earning something. So now you know what keeps Bitcoin running under the hood. If you want more crypto explained simply, hit like, subscribe, or follow, because we're just getting started.